What the heck are squachos, and should you be eating them? Just when the holiday season is finally over, another opportunity for indulging takes its place. Get ready, folks, it's viewing party time. Whether you're a movie buff or a football aficionado, January and February are when everyone gathers round the TV to watch all the season's big events. And eat food. Lots of crispy, gooey, cheesy food. That's where squachos come in. Basically, they're nachos made with sliced, roasted zucchini or summer squash. They're still loaded with all your favorite toppings, so they taste delicious. But they're lower in calories, carbs, and salt than nachos made with the usual tortilla chips. So you can make it through the Oscars, and the endless round of playoff games, and the Super Bowl without busting a button on those jeans you scored on sale after Christmas. Steak and quinoa squachos, the simplest way to make zucchini or summer squash chips. Slice them thinly, and roast them in a hot oven until charred. The fit fork tops hers with a mixture of cheddar cheese and almond flour for an extra buttery texture, plus quinoa and seared steak strips for loads of protein. Yum! Meatless zucchini nachos, to make your squachos more crisp and chip-like, use a mandolin to slice them paper-thin, says Betsy Life. Topped with crumbled black bean burgers, cheddar cheese, and black beans, they're just as satisfying as your favorite bar snack, minus the bellyache later on. Grilled zucchini nachos, for smoky squachos with even more flavor, try grilling your zucchini slices, like 2 peas and their pod. Make sure to brush them with olive oil first, so they don't stick, adding avocado to the usual cheese, diced tomato, black beans, and cilantro toppings makes the nachos even richer and more satisfying. Spiralized zucchini nachos, don't want to give up those tortilla chips altogether? Do like Girl vs. Stowe and add zucchini to your mix of nacho toppings. Piling on the water and fiber-rich veggies helps you fill up faster, so you'll eat fewer chips overall. Loaded paleo nachos, you might not technically be able to call them squachos, but sweet potatoes make another tasty substitute for the usual tortilla chips. Lexi's Clean Kitchen makes razor-thin sweet potato chips with a mandolin, and tops them with shredded chipotle chicken, fresh guacamole, and homemade salsa. One Pan Cauliflower Nachos, another option? Trade the zucchini for thinly sliced cauliflower florets. Fit Foodie finds roasts them on a sheet pan until they're crisp on the outside and creamy on the inside, then piles on shredded rotisserie chicken, pinto beans, red onion, jalapeno, and pico de gallo. The result is maximum flavor, for minimal mess.